If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The foreground and background colors in Photoshop appear as two larger overlapping color squares at the bottom of the Tools panel. Photoshop uses the foreground color to paint, stroke, and fill selections. It uses the background color to make gradient fills and fill in erased areas of images. You can set the desired foreground and background color choices in Photoshop using any of several tools available. The default foreground color in Photoshop is black, and the default background color is white. To switch the current foreground and background colors in Photoshop, click the small double-pointed and curved arrow that appears above and to the right of the current foreground and background color choices in the Tools panel. To set the current foreground and background color choices in the Tools panel back to their defaults of black and white, click the small black and white squares icon that appears above and to the left of the current background and foreground color choices in the Tools panel. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.